So welcome again. In this video, we will learn how to change mobile number and email ID in SBI mutual fund completely online. There is no need to consult to SBI mutual fund peoples. So let's start now. So for doing this, you need to go to any browser and go to search. After going into google.com, you need to search to SBI mutual fund login, SBI MF login, and you need to click this link, that is online.sbimf.com. You need to click over here, let the site open, and after opening up the site, go to the investor services over here. Okay, so when you go to investor services, you will see that there are some services that are listed here: update email ID, update mobile number, manage nominees. All the information is given here. So here we will touch upon updating email ID and tell you about how to update the mobile number completely online. So let's start with the update email ID. Just click at the update email ID here, and you will be redirected to another page where you need to enter your PAN number and your folio number. If you don't have your folio number, just log into your SBI mutual fund account and just see what is your folio number, or you can see the statement that you are getting at your email ID also. So I have entered my PAN number and my folio number. Now I need to enter the CAPTCHA that is displayed over here, and it is B capital N T A Q and N. Okay. Now I need to submit here. I will click on the submit button and will get an OTP and mobile and the email ID both. You need to enter the OTP that you have received. Okay, so my OTP is 6863 and 67. Okay, I have entered here and now I am verifying this information. So you will be redirected to this link, this page, sorry, this page, and here you need to enter your new email ID. Okay, and you need to re-enter your email ID here. Suppose I am entering some random test 2025 email ID. You need to enter your email ID here. Okay, whatever you want to update, and here you need to confirm that same mail ID. Okay, uh, uh, okay, now you need to select email ID belongs to whom. If it is your mail ID, you need to select yes. If it is the email ID of a spouse, dependent children, whatever it is, the same as it belongs, you need to select. Suppose it is self, you need to click over the select, and you need to confirm here. Okay, after this confirmation, you will get a notification that your email ID will be updated, and after some time you will get your email ID update mail on your mail. Okay, those this is all, this much only is required to update your email ID in SBI mutual fund. Okay, now this is all for this, and now we will switch to the updation of the mobile. So how to update the mobile number of the your SBI mutual fund. Okay, so now let us close this page, and we will now go to change this mobile number. Okay, from here also this is available, the link is available. So from here also we can go, and you can go to the first page where we have seen the update phone number. From there also you can go. So now we are clicking here, and let's see what we are getting. So what we are getting, the same page that we have seen for entering the email ID, changing the email ID, same PAN number you need to enter, and the folio number, your folio number you need to enter. So just enter your PAN number and folio number, then enter this CAPTCHA at this here, and then click submit. So let me enter my details. Okay, and I'll show you. So here is the CAPTCHA. Let me enter this U7 and T and X, then R and P. Okay, now after entering all this information, I will click on the submit button. Let me click here, and screen will open for the verification through OTP. So I have got my OTP 030945. 030945. After entering this OTP that you have received on your current mobile number and email ID. Okay, so in this OTP is same. It is not different in mail or means mobile number. It is same on both one. And now you need to click on verify OTP and new page will open. So similar to changing up the email ID, same screen we have got, and now you need to enter the mobile number that you want to change. Suppose you have your mobile number like this, okay, how many digits are there? Okay, 10 digits are required, and the same mobile number that your mobile number that you want to change, here you need to enter over here, okay, 9825, the same one you have to enter, and you need to select mobile number belongs to self, spouse, dependent children, whatever is the case with you, you need to select. If it belongs to you, just select this. Now it will verify by sending some OTP, and you need to confirm that, and then it will be updated against your account. So this is all for updating or changing the mobile number of your SBI mutual fund online. It is very easy process that you have seen, nothing else you need to do. Okay, so verification required in both the cases. You need to verify, and then it will be updated. You will get the message on your mail ID and mobile number that it has, the information has been updated successfully. So this is all. Thank you very much. We'll meet again.